Today, I will discuss you how to use the Japanese abacus or SOROBAN. First is, let's discuss about the parts of the abacus. So this block, it's what we call frame. Okay, so again, this is the frame. And this one, at the lower part, which have 4 beads, it's what we call earthly beads, and their value is 1. Okay, so again, their value at the lower part it's 1, and this is what we call earthly beads. And then at the top of the abacus, this is what we call heavenly beads, and their value is 5. So again, at the top it's 5 and the lower part it's 1. Okay, next, this bar, it's what we call reckoning bar or answer bar. So meaning, all the beads touching this, that will be our answer. Okay, and then this dot, it's what we call unit point. So again, this is our unit point. And then this vertical line, it's what we call rod. This one, rod or column. Okay, so now we already know what are the parts of the abacus. So let's proceed now by counting 1 to 9 using the abacus. Okay, so first thing, the proper way doing this is by using the thumb and the index. Okay, so for doing 1, use your thumb and going up, and then this one bead is now touching this reckoning bar, so the answer now it's 1. Okay, so minus 1, I need now to use my index finger, so back to 0. So 1 minus 1 equals now 0. Next, proceed with 2 using thumb, minus 2, index. Next, 3, thumb again, minus 3, index. 4, thumb, minus 4, which is index. Okay, next, 5. So again, 5, it's always at the top. So 5, use your index. So now, index finger for 5. And then minus 5 will be at the back of your index. Next, 6. 5 plus 1, it's equals now 6. So this is now 6. And the proper doing this, it's thumb and index at the time. And then minus 6 from the center away from the reckoning bar. That is now minus 6. Next, 7, which is 5 plus 2 equals now 7. Minus 7 from the center away from the reckoning bar. That is now back to 0. Then 8, 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then minus 8. And then last number is 9. Minus 9. Okay. And now, how to clear the abacus? So first thing is, just lift and then down, and use now your index finger left to right. Okay, so again, this is how to clear the abacus. Alright, so thumb for adding 1 minus 1 index, 2 thumb minus 2 index, 3 thumb minus 3 index, 4 thumb minus 4 index. Okay, next 5 index minus 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, so again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.